Good morning. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Gab, Gab, ba't tayo tadi edit ko? Wala may edit nyo ng gasan. Salamat. Ay, tapusin naman yun. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. New day is a new beginning. Good day. Have a nice day. Thank you, 5 people. Hi. Thank you for the likes. Thank you, 7 people in the house. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the 7 people in the house. My father is coughing. Hi, Jose. Antonio Santos. Hello. Alice Keaton. Thank you, Jose. Eugene. Thank you for the likes. The people in the house, thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Okay. Applying. Oh my God, what is this? Very climbing. Thank you for watching. Thank you, guys. This to Zara.
Victory kami ay sila.
I'm mad at you. You mad at me? Why you mad at me? Why you mad at me? What happened? Have a great broadcast, buddy. I saw you in come running. I saw you in came running. Thank you so much. Parang kahapon mag-isa. Feliz Natal para Brazils. Mag-isa. Ay, butang na dito. Pwede yan. Hinula mo ka ng pabe. Hinula. Salamat. Ibaba mo ko yan.
Kagi ako mama ako.
Mahal ka. Ano sudah kagabi? Ano sudah? Ha? Ano? Karne?
Oh, yes.
Ha?
Opo. Mama, sayang oh. Pero yan ako nang gamit.
From Brazil. Thank you so much. Watching from Brazil. Kuya. Nagagi na Papa Pandesal.
Ah?
Nagagi na. Wala pa naman nga da.
Baka lang ako kita ganda.
Ay, may tinapay doon mo. May tinapay.
Ang pinat.
Thank you, Jose. Pwede yun. I like her, Cesar. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the likes. Dude, why did you remove? Okay, sorry. Sorry, we met. Karinda, thank you so much for joining everyone here. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Peter Thornton, you look about my age. Yeah, 40 years old. My age. Peter. Are you 40s? Turning 41. Thank you so much. wish I were as slim as you are. Why? I want to be fat. Just a little. Thank you for thank you for watching. 8 million here. Thank you so much. Ricky Conrada, ikaw ma'am, 40 years old. Yun na parang DC pa yung ganda. Salamat po. DC talaga. Thank you. Homegrown. Hi, Homegrown. Thank you for joining again. Homegrown. How was the party? Ano, they're fine. I'll subscribe you and you are beautiful. Thank you, Peter Thornton. Thank you so much. Sinasabi, kakatulad. Thank you so much. Bababae daw ako. Oh yes. Thank you so much, my God. Last I seen you it was half half.
Ang dami. Wait.
Thank you so much. Casada. Jose, what it means, Jose? Jose, can you translate it in English, Jose, or Tagalog, Jose? Thank you so much, Jose. Oh my God, Jose. Babaero daw ako, sinisabi, nakakating. Didididi, oo. Better, it would be nice to chat on Messenger, not publicity. Okay. Babaero daw ako. Feeling frisky. Frisky. Thank you so much, people in the house. And likes. Good morning. Good morning, Ben. Good morning. Thank you so much for joining. Tawa ko, sinong may sabi? Nagkakating labi. Wait lang. Nino?
Merry Christmas sa mga paway.
Dari kalbo.
Papay, wait lang. Merry kalbo.
Merry Christmas.
Merang kalbo siya.
Wait. Merry Christmas! Katunakan papay, dalihan ka mga dalay! O papay, din ang mga mga taga Switzerland. Bless. Taga Switzerland.
Loren, muli daw yan, di ko
Mamas ko po.
Oh,
Hoy,
ano ba sila?
Tala.
good morning, kaganda. Oh my God. Good morning, tulad. Aday, dada. Ano, good morning, mama. Good morning. Ito. Sleep well.
Di na. Alam mo ko, no?
Nangatag si Santa.
Grabe si Papay. Yadeo, kantan soy, tapos yung rap-rap. Mana ba yan? Ito ba yan? 5.
Oh, 5 sarap. Ayan na.
Tapos, mana ba yan? 5,000 tuon din makabot ha? Ha?
Arajus lang. Merry Christmas.
Ay na.
Sa New Year na ako maano ha, para paldo. Kamu.
Baldo.
Dagdag naman. Ma 200 dito bago mag-meron.
Pili mo yan, ipuno. Yun ang pili na. Yun, dito.
Oo, di ba? Dire. Pwede man ipuno. Pwede man ipuno.
Wala, yung mula taste naman.
Tina. Babaero.
Live mo lang ito.
Sa live ko lang ito.
Gusto mo yung pila pa yun sa mga ads.
Wala pa ako ads.
Dili, maipon.
Oh, mas lalo na pag may ads, buligid. May ipon yun doon, dagdag yun.
Gray yun dito ha.
Bibiryo man, saro lang yun. Mataan, ano yan?
Ano lang yun ha? Nakasan YouTube ba?
Para man dati. Magayon nun yan.
Gini yan ha.
Tapos maliban pa dito, din mabakal si Rasin. May pag may nagano, may star, may sticker, may price pa yun. Maliban pa yun doon.
Pag yung gusto live mo, may dyan.
Oo, may dollar sign na.
Sinindot ka, tumasay ka
Oo.
Nalimutan ko kami ng udagan.
Pwede ba yan 2 piso? May nakutang mga 2 piso. Cheryl, how are you? Rick, I'm fine, Rick. Hello, Rick. Thank you for joining. Have a nice day. Merry Christmas, Rick. Hey, Miss Cheryl. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Ano ba, Pai?
Wow! Merry Christmas! Ano bigay?
Pero, kasi
Sukatan daw ang chinilas. Anto.
Sukat daw tingin na santo.
Lailay, kaya nagubag.
Tulot na lang.
Ano na, sarusang at ka.
Ay, hubag kay Laylay.
Ha?
Laylay kay hubag.
Kaya hubag, kay lailay.
Babadeta ha.
Sa ano baga? Ano baga ang sabi sa doktor sa ingat mo tay para magkupos yun namin.
Pag nakalayo yun si
Merry Christmas, Rick. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribe my channel. How are you, Rick? How are ya?
Dili lang lailay.
Pero daw ay kang sinong may sakit. Merry Christmas. You're welcome. God bless everyone.
Ha?
Era. Pero daw wag ka. Yeah. Call me, excuse me.
Hi, na. Alam ka doon.
Ano yun? Bulong ka. Sanong batitan imo ano?
Okay po.
Ano ba?
I'm doing okay now. How about
Sabi nila na nabuka.
Hindi ang cellphone, nahulog.
Ang makabuka.
Where the two? Bicol Province, Rick. So, Bicol Province. Thank you so much, Rick, for joining. I'm a province. Yeah.
Sipnay ka kay store mo si mama mo. Tulog na din ikaw. Dadangan. Tulog na, tulog. Tulog na.
Lagos. Bicol Province, Philippines. I'm from Bicol.
Ay, tayo na. Sige mo. Wala na pagpag. Nakatulog naman may tigil yung kilokat na ka. Alam mo kaya mo ng bulaw?
Sino?
Thank you so much, everyone. Hi. Hello.
Babay pa sa ako. Babay.
Ben Harder Cheryl, my God bless you and your family. Thank you, Ben Hardy Vargas. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining. 11 likes. Thanks a lot. 6 people in the house. Douglas. Hey, Douglas. Pero tawag ko, sino may sabi, ang labi. What's your age, if I may ask? My age is 40 years old. 40. How about you, sir? Rick. Thank you, Rick. Thank you for joining. I'm 40 years old. Sino masabi, magkakatindabi. Oh, thank you so much. Thanks a lot. What? No way you're 40. Yes, I'm 40. How about you? How old are you? How old are you, Rick? Wow, you look good. I was thinking maybe 27. Thank you. I look young, maybe. Maybe I look young on the camera, but in personal, when you see me in real, I'm old. I'm old. There, Cheryl. I speak Portuguese, Spanish, and English, but my dream is to learn Tagalog. Oh, thank you so much, Ben Vargas. Hope you speak Tagalog. It's really cute. What do you think my age? Oh my God, Rick, I think your age. I need to see your 30. You're 30 years old, Rick. Are you 30 years old? Thank you so much. 5 people in the house. Yeah.
Ay, nalimot ako.
Nalimot naman.
Nalimot.
Ay, so, sagari na kaya yan do.
Sa baba. Pakamutangan.
Malimot.
Pati.
Ano ba yun si Dada? I'm still... Oh my God. Ray! I'm still mad at you, Cheryl, for not having adventures. Oh my God. But really, wow, thank you for the compliment. Yeah. I think you are 30, so I'm right, Rick. I am right. You're 30 years old? Huh? 30? Good morning. Hi, Tony. No, I wish. Oh, so what is your age? How old are you? How old are you, Rick? I'm, well, really? You're 63? Wow. What? You're 63? My God. Tony, welcome.
Sinimplap na nga niya ito ni mama mo. Nakapagado na ito. Napingin niya ito. Pinigno ako pa man din.
Hello, beautiful. Hi, Donnie. Yes, I'm 63 years old. Nice to meet you, Rick. Where are you from, Rick? Where are you from? Hello there, friend. Hello, Tony. Sinong may sabi, magkakatingalapit, di naman totoo. United States, America. Nice to meet you, Rick, here. Beautiful dance. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thanks so much. Thank you, 7 people here. Nice to meet you as well. Thank you, Rick. Young, kind friends. Salamat. Where should I call you? Yeah, you're calling me Cheryl. Hello, Sir Tony. How are you? Like number 13. Thank you, Donnie. Thanks, Donnie. some people in the house. Noise po. Tapos ka na magkaunggab. Sige, tubong kita doon. Bread. Let's say the bread. Hello, Miss Cheryl, yes? Yes, Sharik. Sharik, yes. What can I do? Oh my God, so yummy, delicious. You're very welcome, darling. We need to get your subscribe number up. Thank you, Sir Rick. Thank you so much. Let's share, like, and subscribe to Cheryl channel. Thank you. There, Cheryl, you are very beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my God. There, Cheryl, you are very beautiful. Thank you for the heart. Who's sending the heart? Thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Rick, for joining here. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Do you have any children? No husband. I have one kid. Just Rick is fine, oh, sir. Thank you, Rick. Thank you so much, Rick. You're very welcome. There, Cheryl, are you? Yeah. Yep. Is your boy? Is he's a boy? Hello, Facebook friend. Hi, Peter, Tom, Stormstron. Hi, Peter. Thank you for joining here. Mm, It's a boy. It's a boy. Thank you to those who give the hearts. Thank you so much. Getting the My phone is acting crazy. It keeps changing my words. Same here. Same mine. That's why I need to save money because I need to buy a new phone. Because I crazy crack the crack screen. Thank you, 5 people in the house. Well, I left mine in your pants packet and put in the washing machine by accident. I left mine in my packets and put in the washing machine by accident. What? Oh my god. Rick, are you married? Do you have a kids? Happy family? Thank you for the likes, guys. Just surprised it even works. Yeah, I'm surprised. Oh my god. Myself, no wife. Why no wife? Divorce. She's deaf. Separated. Single at all. Jolly Gold Channel. Hey, hello, Lord. Shout out watching from Davao. Hi, Jolie from Davao. Thank you for watching. James Jacob, your heart is coming out and coming out of shirt, I see. Yeah, my heart. I no, the heart shape. There, I am a widower. My wife passed away 4 years ago. Oh wow. What? Sorry, Ben Harder Vegas. So are you single now, guys? Single. 5 people. Thank you, 5 people. Di maaari bababaero daw ako. Sinong may sabi? Yes, I've been single a lot of years. Oh, wow. Why you need why you don't need to find someone? You don't maybe you choose to be single all the time. Choosing to be single. Yes. Yeah, I was single. That reason my daughter. Wow. How many kids do you have, Rick? Good morning, Cheryl. Hi, John. Good morning, John. Thank you for joining here again. Thank you so much. My generous, my favorite. Thank you so much, John. Dear friend, your country is very beautiful. It's like a paradise with many islands and beaches. Yes, beautiful here, the country here. If you visit here in the Philippines, maybe you can go here and Bicol. Hello po. Hi, only had one. Only one. Wow. May single pa ba na kasama mo nag-snow? Wala. Hirap mag-ano na ngayon. Puro, kahit bata ngayon, taken na. But she passed away. She had brain cancer. Oh, sorry, Rick. Your daughter passed away? Oh my God. So sad for you, Sir Rick. Rick. She passed red. Aha. Siyempre, tawa ka kasi totoo eh. Di ba? Diba totoo? Yeah. Yes, thank you. Hope you visit her Philippines, guys. Philippine, not all, but many kind people here. Not all, maybe if I'm not kind, there's someone many kind people here. There's a lot. Yes, thank you. So did you have nice Christmas? Yes. It's the Christmas is um challenging to me, but it's fine. Life must go on. Arthur Monroe. Hi, Arthur. We need to distract negative vibes. I mean, not only in Christmas, but every day. We choose to be looking forward, positive vision. Maybe I made mistakes, but I'm not bad. Yes, very true, my friend, my dear. Thank you, Rick. Here in my country is still Christmas. Same here, still Christmas until same here in the Philippines. Philippines is the longest celebrating Christmas. Oh my God! It starts September. Oh, Christmas feels here. How old is your son? 9 years old. My son is 9 years old. My son is 9 year old, grade 4 student. Rafael, maybe try to speak English or Tagalog because we all make mistakes, Cheryl. Don't feel bad, look forward. Thank you so much, Rick. Thank you so much, John. Oh my God. Thank you, John. Oh my God. Thanks a lot. You know what, John? Thank you so much a lot for everything. So much. I want to cry. Oh my god. It's emotional, you know. A very good student, I bet. Yeah. He's he's the top five. He's on the top five uh, students. Yes, the Christmas in the Philippines begins in September. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! Well, congratulations! You are a great mom. Thank you. A great mom. Oh my god, po! Stop it, or you will make me. You will make me cry. Bye. Thank you, pa. I want to cry. Wanna, I wanna cry. Thank you, 9 people. Thank you so much. What's wrong with her? Nothing's wrong, but I think I'm just very emotional. I'm just emotional that someone is special in my life. Oh my god, no crying on live. Yes, I need to distract. No crying on live. Maybe, you know. Thank you for 20 people. Oh my god. 5 people in the house. Thank you for the likes. 20. Sinong may sabi, magkakating labi. Someone gives you yes, so much. Something like that. Thank you, someone sending hearts. Thank you so much. Sinong may sabi, kakating labi. Di naman. Thank you, 23 likes. Well, it's his loss. I don't know. Maybe I feel lost. I'm feeling so lost. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry, Cheryl. I was very sad this Christmas because my daughter left home and went to live with her. But oh my god, that's one of being a parent. That's very, you know, that's the thing that the feeling sad because they can leave the parents with their loved ones. I'm worried about my son because he's only one. Oh my god. What if he married? What if he have an I'm alone? Oh my god. What if find someone and and he chose me over me, and he chose her over me. My God. Yes, feeling lonely is not nice feeling, I know. Yeah, I don't want to feel that. Oh my God, what a sad feeling. I understand you, Sir Benhar de Vargas. Paano? Ah, Mustafa. Hello, good morning, someone's wife. I spent Christmas alone. Oh my God, sorry, Sir Benhar. I hope maybe you need to spend your with friends. You need to distract the loneliness. Maybe you need to work out, make vlog. Like me, that's why I'm not feeling on because like this. I'm talking to other people. I'm not feeling not feeling bored and that time pass just you know, because when I do nothing, oh my God, it's killing me. You're a beautiful lady. Any man would be lucky to have you in his life. I think he's not lucky. He's not lucky because I'm not good one for them. I'm not deserve the love and to the love, to love and to love. Oh my God. Merry Christmas. Good morning, says my sister, Salty Flag. I want to introduce you, my sister, Salty Flag. Merry Christmas, sister. I want you to meet my sister, Salty Flag. Thank you, guys. Magkakating labi. Let's put a big smile on your face and sing a song. This Christmas I give you my heart for the very next week. Give it away. This Christmas I need it for someone. This Christmas I give you my heart for the very next day. Give it away. This day. I need it for someone's Christmas. This Christmas, give you a heart for our next day. Thank you so much, everyone. Ang pangit daw ng boses ko. Sorry Di kasi ako singer. Mahal ko lang ang musika, pero hindi ako mahal ng musika. Sorry po, Jordan Esperta, kung na-distract ka. Bakit kasi nandito ka? Hindi ka naman pinapapunta. Nandito ka pa. Nabulabog ba kita? Oh my God. There, Cheryl, I'm going to have dinner now. Thank you, Sir Benhar de Vargas. Enjoy your meal. Thank you so much, good boy. Ay, paano ito sabi ng kulay black? Good boy. Gusto kita. The Parker, why gusto mo ako? Pandara na ka ba ni electric fan? Bakit gusto mo ako? Ayun lang. Ay, ko. Mga na yung sasabi ko. Uy, nako. Kain na, kain. Thank you so much. This Christmas, I give you my heart. Merry Christmas to you and your family. Love, Lobby. Love, Lobby. Thank you, 23 likes, 7 million here in the house. The Parker, where are you from, the Parker? Ito na ba doon ano? Katagal doon ka pa, nag-ano. Tapos bandawan mo yon, tapos bandawan mo, tapos punasan mo ulit San Hulos. Ay pagraramuga. The Parker, if you want to help me by sending the money, just send. No need to, ano. No need to, ito pa ho. There, Cheryl, you have a beautiful voice and you speak English very well. Thank you, Sir Bonheur. The Parker, England. Thank you, the Parker. Sir Parker from England. You are a monster. You are a monster. I wanna kill you if I'm a monster. Marco Milaneto. Hello. Oh my god. You're not. You're crazy, huh? Sometimes you let it go. I don't want you here on the live. Sorry. Sorry, Marco Milaneto. Not deserve my attention. Don't bully my son. Tell me how we can. Oh my god. Ay, pabutangan dun. Halos yada. Maganda, monster. Maganda. How old are you, Thor Parker? Who is this rude guy? I don't know. Who's rude? Marco Melaneto. He said my son is stupid. Oh my god. I'm gonna mad. For the next day. I think some people have been drinking too much. Yeah, but they bring trouble in other life. Oh my god. You are beautiful, not a monster. Yeah, I block him. Thank you. I block him, Rick. Sis old enough, but not too young. How old are you? You don't need negative people here. Yeah, I don't need negative people here. And I don't want to waste my time for negative. Oh my god. Tell me your email, how I get in contact with you. How you get contact with me. I have a Facebook, I have an Instagram. Yeah. See my name, see my name. Same name. I'm sorry, I shouldn't tell you what to do on your channel. I'm sorry. It's okay, it's fine, Rick. I'm fine. It's okay, it's alright. 29. You know what, Thor Parker? You're young. Oh my god. That's why only matured people here. Matured people here. No kids. No kids. Insta. Yeah, my Insta is same name. But you can tell me what you want to see here.
Oh, baka lang kayo lang. Ilaw pula.
Yes. No, it's not okay. Man should never respect a woman. Yeah, thank you so. My name is Cheryl. The name is Cheryl. This Christmas I give you my heart for the next day. I give it away. Thank you, 10 people in the house. This. Do you think 60 years old? Do you think 60 is old, Cheryl? I'm 60 years old, or you? Me? I'm good. Huh? Ronald, hi Ronald, babies. Oh my god. I'm a 60 years old. Oh my god. Maybe. Oh. This Christmas I give you my heart for the next day. This Christmas. I am 60. Ah, you're 60 years old. Oh my god, really? Work that out yourself. Did you Sherlock? Yeah, Sherlock. I'm 60. Nice to meet you, Ronel. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. 60 years old. It's not bad. Not bad. I think it's a happy age. Work it out yourself to just Sherlock. Thank you so much. I think he's asking is 6 years old to be with you. Huh? To be with me? Wait. I don't understand. Asking you're 6 years old to be with me. I'm ground, be careful, that's bait. Bait? What means bait? Thank you for just wondering what you thought about that age. I'm still wondering. Maybe I thought you are 40. Ranel, I thought you are 40 years old something. You too young, silly. 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 This Christmas, I give you a heart for the very next day. And give it away. This is all for me. No energy. This Christmas, I give you my heart for the next day. For the next day. For the next day. I need to remove this stress. I love dancing. Babang! Babang! Oh my god!
Come here.
Oras na.
Come here kay Wawa. Wawa.
Need to break it out. Nice little wiggle, Momo. I'm not looking for a relationship, just asking your opinion. If I'm 60 years old, if I meet someone 60 years old, to be with me, why not? Age doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Why not coconut? It doesn't matters. It doesn't matters, guys.
Iran. Ikaw mo mag-Iran.
Stay easy, get it
Wala
away.
mag-Iran ha. Iran.
Sister, that's very true, yes. Tears, so needed to send my disgrace. This Christmas again. Pieces and give it from team. If I save the money, I will buy a phone and then I will tour you guide. I will make a vlog here on the beautiful places here and my place. That's why. Oh my god. Hope you guys, if you traveling, visiting the Philippines, you having an idea to visit here in Bicol. If you both have love and respect, honestly, that's all that important. Respect is one of the no love, respect, and love, respect, and honest loyalty. Very important in love. What about love? What about you? I have another Samsung S16. Really, you bought? Wow, I felt so jealous. Yes, yes, I don't. Well, you don't use. Maybe no, you can give it to me as a gift. Your old phone. Your old phone. The old phone is enough. This Christmas, I give you my heart for the next day. I don't use. The phone you don't use. Maybe you need to share. Can you buy minutes there? Can you buy? I don't buy because not enough money. My God, that's why I still saving. Ricardo Law. Hello, Kumbasa, like a Walmart. Oh, no Walmart here. Just as SM supermarket. Supermarket. Expensive phone here. That's why the phone is expensive. These days, a million tears I needed for someone to stress me. This Christmas, I give him my heart for the very next day. We get it away. These tears.
Huwag mo lang piritan mo na. Huwag mo lang tao. Bubong ka naman. Nandun ka naman.
It's a straight talk. It's a straight talk. It's straight talk. Straight talk. Mm, mm, You got internet, that's enough. Yeah. I was told the phone from his lab for other countries. When I went to Hong Kong, my phone wouldn't work. Yeah. My phone wouldn't work. Because the phone, my phone is square, no. It works, but it's like sometimes it's full storage. That's why I need to delete. some pictures and videos in the apps, and then the screen is broken. You can get minutes online. I can get minutes online. The phone. Ah, yeah, ordering the like online Shopee. Online Shopee. Internet, yeah. It's like 39 a month. It's like 39 a month. Huh? 39 a month? Can the screen just be replaced? Ah, yeah, the ano, the screen protector. Oh, it's like, you said,
Di ka ba magurunitan dun, ha?
what do you call it? What do you call
Abo
it?
ko rin magurunitan ka mo dun, ha?
Pay. Monthly pay. 39 month for full service. I want full service. I want a baby.
Ano what, magibi?
No baby here. What are you doing to me?
Magibi?
Like monthly to pay. I have here. Have some like credit. That's a credit. Internet and phone. Internet and phone?
Victory sila.
I don't know if have here, but I think no here. You are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Greetings from the Netherlands. Hi, Nelson from the Netherlands.
Sino ba tong mukhang gago? Nagkadarama sa
Just put their SIM card and okay.
Ay, nagtarong sa din.
How much our phone cost her? The phone cost her, it depends on the model, like Samsung, what Samsung, Realme, Huawei, what else? Huawei, Samsung, Realme. It depends on the model. Did people to yes, I have people now. Oh my god. You can give a gift my people. My people is on my bio. My people is on my bio now. I have people now. Social. 2:03 a.m. Oh, why you wake up too early, Nelson? Wait. Yadaan mo eh. Yadaan mo. Inudam ko pala ang charger, pinawag ko doon. Message ka na. Full charge mo yan. Did people yes, I will receive your donation, Sir Aranel Davis. I will receive your donation on PayPal. Thank you for thank you for helping me. Oh my god. Thank you for helping me, Ronel. Thank you so much. It will work with any company. It will work. I don't know. Maybe need to paperworks. Homegrown. Yeah, thank you so much, Ronel. This Christmas I give you my heart for the very next day. Yeah, thank you so much. I needed for someone this Christmas. This Christmas I give you my heart. Thank you so much, everyone here. 5 people in the house and 24 give the likes. This is this. Thank you, 24 people. Thanks a lot. Say it.
Babang, come here na, Babang! Babang, come here!
This is this Christmas I give you my heart for the very next day. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, 7 people in the house. Thanks so much. I give it. I know for someone this Christmas. This Christmas. When is your birthday? Sir Rick, my birthday is February 2. Oh my God, it's coming. My birthday is coming. Too close. February 2, my birthday. February 2. Next month. January, February 2. Not January. Yes, February 2. Thank you. Thank you so much. My birthday is February 2. Thanks so much. Thank you, Rick. Giving them tears, I need it for someone this Christmas. You're welcome. Yeah. Rafael, some to the Chris Cruzillo. Are you wearing shoes? No shoes. Not shoes. Oh, go. Want to say? No shoes. My God. Prove it. And prove it. Well, can I send you something? Yes. Can you send me something, Rex? I really appreciate it. Because I know you're so nice person. What kind something? What kind something? My God. Oh. Me. Yes, but how can you tell? But yes, but how can you tell? How can I tell? What do you mean? Where can I say? Where? Like like where? Here in Bicol province. Me where? Where can I send you something? Where? Like where? Here in Bicol? Something. 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 What? Where you send something? Here in Bicol, you can send here in Bicol. Oh my God, yes, here in Bicol. It's like a gift or hello, hi, X. Do you get delivered there? Yeah, I get here. Maybe you can send me on private message by Cheryl Om. Cheryl Om, sorry. Cheryl Om. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Sir Rick. Thank you, Rick. Oh my God, I really appreciate your for helping Aray. Did you get delivered or at yeah? How do I do that? What do you call this? Message me on Messenger. I have WhatsApp. I have WhatsApp now. My number is on my bio. Same Gcash. Then message me on WhatsApp. That's my number. If you have WhatsApp, do you have WhatsApp? Yeah. My number is on my bio. The Gcash number is my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number. It's my Gcash. Okay, I thought it was. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Rick. This Christmas. Thank you so much. 6 people in the house. Okay, I will text you. Okay, thank you, Rick. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Can you look at the phone you want? Yeah. Oh, we really? Oh my God. Really, Rick? Thank you. Get the price of it. Yeah. I'm looking. This Christmas. You can choose for me. Whatever it is, I'm thankful. You can choose for me. Maybe you chose for me. I will love it. Chloe. Thank you, Rick. Calibe, Holly, Job. Thank you. I really do not think that a phone from the United States will work in the Philippines. I have checked it before, and they told me something. They had built the considered lock for other country. Ah, okay. So maybe from the store here, or yeah, maybe it's only here in the Philippines. Yes, sorry. Sure, Cheryl, I sincerely hope anything I said has not offended you. That was never my intention. Okay, it's Ronald, baby. It's fine, Ronald. Nothing's nothing bad. Oh my God, what I say is I don't feel that any like that. It's okay. It's fine, Ronald. Don't what you call negative. I'm always um. It's okay. It's fine. Have a nice day, Ronald. So you will have to pick the one you want. To pick the one I want. Which city do you live? Bicol, Philippines. So you will have to pick the one you want. I will have to pick the one I want. The phone? So, Rick, so easy to pick the phone I want. But the problem is how to pay. Oh my God. And get it there in Philippines. Yeah. Good morning. Bakit ka hindi ka na kilala? That's why you need to give me a price of it. Okay. Thank you, 27 likes. Thank you, thank you, Rick, for trying to help me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Bakit ba hindi ka na kilala? Ako'y malaya pa at hindi ngayon puso ka. We can talk more about it on this app. Yeah. Thank you, Sir Rick. I thank you, Rick. Thank you. Bakit ba hindi ka na kilala? Ako'y nag-isip. Sino ang ibigin? I like you so much. Kaya sana. You're welcome, Cheryl. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Rick. Wait. Ako'y malaya pa at hindi ngayon puso mo. May kapiling na. Thank you so much, everyone. Ako'y nag-iisip. Babang! Meet my babang. Come on, people. Like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Meet my babang, JB Pancho. Hi, JB Pancho. GB Papa, meet my babang.
Mag-lipstick ka na.
Meet my... Hi.
Ate, lipstick na.
Thank you, Ranel. Hi, Ranel. Thank you so much. Say hi, say hi, say hi. Flying kiss, flying kiss. Flying kiss pa more.
Basta dagalan mo lang.
Hi, GB Pancho. Hello.
Dalagang bukid. Dalagang bukid mo ito
Wala,
na.
pula talaga.
Nagpupula. Dalagang bukid.
Ronel. Hi, Ronel. Hello. Hi, Althea.
Naman tapos ito.
Althea?
Okay.
Ang isura ni ang lawas.
My father.
Oo, bukan si Au.
Ah, di na sa imo, nagpula. Uy, mapudpud yun na.
My father Earth. Ay, sorry, Bebang. Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala ng ako'y malaya pa? Diniwan ng puso. Thank you so much. That's your papa. Yes, my papa. My papa, he fell sick.
Jailay, muna si mama mo. Na. Jailay, muna si mama mo.
My papa is sick. Hello from Australia. Hi, John Double from Australia. Hello.
Iba yung mama.
Thank you so much.
Sila, tignan mo si mama mo. Maganda na. Nangabo. 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 Ay, baby. Sa iyo siya ate. Muna si mama mo.
Apa na si Butangan?
Okay na, itanong natin pa 11. Hoy!
I'm fine. You're working hard, Charles. Thank you so much.
Basta ko yan, kinakuha mo. It's
cute.
Ako nakalistik ka tayo. Kasi mo na sila. Wala mo ka. Ganyan mo. Ganyan mo, Jayla.
Whereabouts in the Philippines are you from? I'm from Bicol Province, Philippines. John Double.
Ngayon, kung mga bata yun. Hanggang
Yep. If you was here, you wouldn't be walking around outside. Just like that, it's shown 7 inches yesterday, now it's cold. Oh. Cold? Jacket. I will wear jacket maybe. Wearing jacket. Ano sa niyo kagabi?
Sinunod ako, ito na Kritos naman oh.
May tula pa?
Saro.
Have you ever seen snow? No, never snow here in the Philippines. No snow here, just rainy, sunny, typhoon, floods. Floods, typhoon, rainy, sunny.
Water, you know?
Bye-bye. Sino no? Bye-bye ka come here na. Uy, kay Wawa. Kay Wawa. Oh my God. Sino na gano'n?
Tagilid agad. Ayaw magpunasan.
My granddaughter. I'm a wawa. I'm a grandmother na.
Uy, punasan mo.
Kala ko nagsabi na.
Si Wawa.
Oo.
Wawa.
Kinabahan.
My niece daughter. She's little. All the good stuff happens in the Philippines. Yeah. And, hello, Kitty. Say hello. Hello, say hi. Hi. Say hi ka dyan. Hi ka. Da-da. Hello, Kitty. Hello, sweetie. She's beautiful, 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 beautiful angel.
Pagkitasid na ito. Nagamitin
Ano rin, charger?
Ah.
Sa balay, nagdala na ka ba? Di na. Bye-bye. Hi, little one. Hi, little one. It's going outside now. Sika! Hyro Alpers. Hi, little one. Thank you, 31 people in the house.
Oo daw. Kasi management niya o lubat.
Lere.
Oo.
Look at the outside of the room. See, it's working. See, it's working. Yeah, it's working. Oh my God.
Managipin pa rin po kayo nag-ano. Kasi nakaroon siya kayo nag-clean.
Mm-mm. See, it's working. 31 people. Like 7 people in the house. Thank you so much. Bye bye, Brazil. Bye, Harry Ferrer. Okay. Gotcha. When is a good time to WhatsApp you? All the time. I will read it. To try to message me now there, so I will read now.
Kasi bumulo kayo, pupunta ako pero hindi ka tubig.
Maybe. Okay, I will. Yes, thank you, Rick. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka at sa habang panahon ikaw ay makasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay ko. That room is your quiet space. Yeah, quiet space. Yes, Ronel. Space. Ronel, maybe you can talk me there. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my friend here. 6 likes. 6 people in the house and 31 likes. Thank you so much. City. Dear Cheryl, if anyone says anything offensive to you and Spanish apology, I will delete it. Thank you so much, Ben Hardy Vargas. Thanks a lot. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for protecting my channel. from toxic people. Thank you so much. Mm-mm. Hi, Cheryl Kuripot Buang. Oh my God. Kuripot Buang, bakit ganyan ang ano mo, channel name mo? Thumbs up, Dan. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the likes. Salamat sa pa-thumbs up. Thank you so much. Toot, 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 taran, tat, taran. Merry Christmas! Oo nga, ni malaba man yan. Oh my God. What about love someday? When you want it just once. Oh, yeah. Ew. Oh my God. Yeah. Eh, sinigang na. Ito sinigang na. Tapos, nasparan.
Baldado na hangin.
Ano, iba nagagawa ng ano, udo. Biglang baldado. Gab, kuha dito ang daspan sa ano ng silig ho. Hatag mo kan, kuya mo, Bem. Gab.
Uy, kung naipos na.
Gab, silig na, ano. Daspan. Oh. Yeah. Ew. Gigi Cars. Hello, Gorgeous. Did you read the test I wrote on your last night? I wrote on your last thing you posted. I didn't. Gigi Cars. About the I'm finding the job. Finding job. I think you are. You are. I think you commented there.
Ama, baruyan na lang ma. Ama. Baruyan na lang tayo.
Bada-badangon ako, Gab. May saraton lang ako. Saglit, may ano lang ako. Bada-badangon ako. Saglit lang. Oo, saglit lang. Very saglit lang. I read your message. Wait.
Rin ako. Sa Google.
So it's working for, yes, it's working. I read your message. Antonio Ronaldo, hello. Thank you so much. Are you speaking Bisaya or Tagalog? I'm speaking Tagalog and Bicol. I speak Tagalog and Bicol. I'm not Bisaya. Ronel. I speak Tagalog, Bicol, English. How far are you from the ocean? Not too far. I this not too far from the ocean. Mini beach here. Maybe tomorrow I will go there. Not too far. Near beach here. All language known as Bicol. Yeah, Bicol. Yes, Bicol Ranel. Beach here and me I live at near here the beach. Like 1 hour travel, something like that. Not to 1 hour, maybe just 30 minutes. Did you have any damage from the earthquake? Yeah, the roof is cracked. The roof is cracked. The roof, look, the roof. Look, that's why I need to. It's when raining inside here on the roof. My God. But thank you, 11 people in the house. Thank you so much. So it was strong shaking then, yeah. When I do live, the last months, when I do live, having an earthquake, oh my God, something like the Darshal. Do you speak 3 languages? Yeah, 3 languages: Bicol, Tagalog, English. I speak. Yes, Benhar de Vargas. Bicol province, far from the Dumaguete. I think far from the Dumaguete, far from here, being Bicol. Yeah, far. Because the Dumaguete is Visaya. The Dumaguete is Visaya. So I'm not speaking Visaya. There's yeah. Thank you. Thank you, 7 people in the house. 34 likes. Thank you so much. You speak perfect English. Thank you, Rick. Thank you so much, Rick. Oh my god. 2 hours live. Oh my god. The 2 hours live. Thank you so much for joining. Almost 2 hours. I want I speak 3 languages as well, but I want to learn Tagalog. Thank you. Thank you, Benhar Vargas. Yes, you will learn Tagalog. Tagalog is not easy to learn language. 11 people in the house. Thank you so much. 34 likes. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. You must have had a lot of good schooling. I'm not finished in college. Maybe I need to school in college now at age of the 40 because for me education is one of the no, kayamanan, wealth that can save us. The knowledge is power. Oh my God, Baba! Come here, Bang! Come here, Bang! Kiss Wawa. Oh my God, kiss Wawa! Babang! Suplada, Babang! Bang, bang!
What?
Almost 2 hours. Oh my God! I will end the live in a few minutes. Thank you so much, guys, for stay tuned. Thanks a lot. That's not what I meant saying you're doing great. Thank you. There, Cheryl. In the Bisaya language, it has many words in Spanish. Oh, yeah. Yeah. 35, 35 likes. Thanks a lot. Let's keep supporting Cheryl channel. Plus, everyone like, share, sub. Thank you. Thank you, Rick. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Edgar Zarza. Hello, Edgar. Pangarap ko. You are welcome. Thank you, guys. Thank you to all people in the house. Thank you for 35 likes. Da, da, da. Pangarap ko yung pangarap mo sa damdamin ko. Ang damdamin ko. 11 people here. Thanks so much. I think your subscribers went 100. Went 100. Thank you. Thank you, Rick. I have a dollar sign here. You can send a gift. There, Cheryl, do you have a religion? I am a Christian, Catholic. I'm a Christian. Went up to 100. Thank you so much, Rick. Thank you for 8 people. I'm doing in the live. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for 2 hours live. My God. 2 hours live. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you for joining.